Uniting in words, understanding, we stand united. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful and meaningful phrase in English, we stand united. This phrase isn't just about the words themselves, but the deep sense of unity and solidarity they convey. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills and cultural comprehension. So, let's get started. We stand united is more than just a collection of words. It's a declaration of unity and collective strength. Let's break it down. We refers to a group of people, inclusive of the speaker. It's a collective term that brings a sense of belonging. Stand, in this context, doesn't just mean the physical act of standing. It's a metaphor for holding a position or a belief firmly. United means being together, in agreement, and supportive of each other. When combined, the phrase speaks of a group's solidarity and commitment to a common cause or belief. The phrase, we stand united, is often used in contexts where there is a need to show collective strength. This can be in political speeches, to show solidarity among a group; social movements, where people come together for a common cause; times of crisis, where unity is essential for overcoming challenges. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping the emotional and motivational aspects of English, showing how language can be used to bring people together. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. During a protest, we stand united for our rights and freedoms. 2. In a team, despite our differences, we stand united to achieve our goals. 3. In a community, in the face of adversity, we stand united, supporting each other. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, emphasizing solidarity and shared purpose. We stand united is a beautiful example of how language can express unity and strength. As you continue your journey in learning English, remember that phrases like this carry not just literal meanings, but also deep cultural and emotional connotations. I hope this video helps you in understanding and using this phrase in your conversations and writings. Stay united in your learning journey, and see you in the next video.